Looking for the perfect big tower PC case for your next build? Stick around as we break down the top options, from budget-friendly to extreme performance. Kicking things off at number 5, we have the GOPIE X07. This case is the most affordable option on our list, but don't let that price tag fool you. It's got a bold design with panoramic tempered glass panels that let you show off your entire build from almost every angle. The X07 supports large graphics cards, tons of fans, and even 360mm water cooling radiators. It's roomy enough for most standard setups, and the dual chamber design helps keep your cables tucked away. If you're on a budget but still want something that looks high-end, this case definitely delivers in the looks department. However, the GOPIE X07 does cut a few corners to stay at this price point. The metal is thinner compared to premium cases, and cable management can be a bit tricky. Some users also report missing fan hubs in certain batches, which might leave you hunting for extra accessories if you're unlucky. So who's this case for? If you're a gamer or builder looking to create an affordable showcase rig without breaking the bank, this might be your perfect pick. And remember, if you want the best deals on all the cases we talk about today, check the links in the description below. Next up at number 4, we've got the darkFlash DY470. This case steps things up with a sleek design that practically wraps your build in glass. It's got a full 330-degree panoramic view, and the airflow is no joke. It supports up to 10 fans and multiple 360mm radiators. The DY470 comes with 4 ARGB fans right out of the box, so your rig will light up the moment you power it on. Plus, the dual chamber layout and special brackets make it easier to manage cables and prevent GPU sag. Compared to the GOPIE X07, you get better fan support, smoother airflow, and a more refined cable management setup. But of course, no case is perfect. The DY470 has a huge footprint. It's taller and deeper than most mid-towers, which might not fit on smaller desks. It also lacks support for 140mm fans, and the storage options are limited to just 3 drives, so hardcore storage enthusiasts might feel restricted. This case is for gamers and PC builders who prioritize aesthetics and airflow. If you love ARGB lighting and want a case that makes your build look like it's on display in a tech museum, this is a great pick. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to like and subscribe. We've got tons of content like this coming your way. Coming in at number 3 is the Antec Performance 1FT. This case offers a great balance of airflow, build quality, and cool features that make it stand out. It's designed for builders who want both style and substance without going too extreme. One of the coolest things about this case is the front temperature display. It shows real-time CPU or GPU temps right on the front panel. The airflow setup is excellent, with room for 10 fans and space for a massive 420mm radiator up front. Compared to the DY470, the Antec case offers a bit more premium feel and features aimed at serious builders. However, it's not without its downsides. The included fans are powerful, but they can get loud when pushed to the limit. Also, it doesn't include a fan hub, so you'll need to manage that on your own. And if you're planning to install tons of hard drives, you might find the storage options a bit limited here. This case is perfect for gamers and builders who want top-tier airflow, cool extras like temperature display, and a sturdy, clean look without going full ultra tower. Let's move on to the next pick. In second place, we have the Fractal design Defin 7XL. This is the case for builders who want extreme storage options without sacrificing quality. It's built like a tank, with premium materials, sound dampening panels, and a dual layout design that lets you choose between maximum airflow or maximum storage. This case can hold up to 18 hard drives and 5 SSDs, making it one of the most storage-friendly options on the market. Plus, it supports massive custom water cooling loops and large motherboards, including SSI-EEB server boards. Compared to the Antec case, the Defin 7XL focuses more on silence and versatility than pure airflow. The main drawbacks? It's heavy, over 36 pounds, and the airflow is a bit restricted if you use the solid front panel instead of the mesh option. Some users also miss having an HDD activity light, which might be a deal breaker for a few storage enthusiasts. If you're building a workstation, NAS, or storage-heavy gaming rig, this case is a dream. It's for users who need flexibility and tons of drive space while keeping noise levels down. But if you're after the biggest and boldest tower available, wait until you see what's next. And finally, at number 1, we have the ANIDEES AI Crystal XL-PRO-Lite. This is the ultimate big tower case for people who want everything, and I mean everything. It's huge, it's heavy, and it's designed to handle the most extreme builds you can imagine. This beast supports up to 12 hard drives in the front and 19 SSDs in total. You can mount dual 480mm radiators for custom water loops, and the case includes both mesh and tempered glass panels so you can choose between airflow and aesthetics. Compared to the Defin XL, the ANIDEES case goes even further in size and capacity. The biggest drawback? It's heavy. 44 pounds before you even install components. Some users have reported packaging issues, like uneven feet or minor damage during shipping. Also, the fan hub uses a non-standard connection, so you might need to tweak your setup to get everything running smoothly. This case is for the extreme builder, the person who wants the biggest, boldest case on the market. If you're planning a server, a massive storage build, or a fully custom loop with room to spare, this is the one to get. That wraps up our list of the top big tower PC cases. If you want to check out any of these cases at the best prices, you'll find all the links in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on future reviews.